How to remove multiple friends on Snapchat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to remove multiple friends that you have on your Snapchat account. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, launch your Snapchat application. Then get logged into your Snapchat account. As you do so, you will see your Bitmoji on your top left-hand side. Tap onto it, scroll below, and under Friends, you will see My Friends. Tap onto it, and here you will see all the friends that you have in your Snapchat. Now at this section, you will not be able to see any option where you can remove all your friends. You have to tap onto their profile that you would like to remove. Tap again, tap on three-dot icon, then tap on Manage Friendship, then tap on Remove Friend. Likewise, if you would like to do the same for your other friends, you have to tap onto this specific person again, repeat the same process, tap on Manage Friendship, remove friend, and then remove. If you would like to remove all your friends, then the only way you can do it all at once is by deleting your Snapchat account. Just like so guys, that is all for today. If in the future Snapchat updates us with that feature, we will surely make a video on that. Till then, stay updated.